I'm going to be sharing with you the easiest way to clean your log burner, and in particular the glass on your log burner. As you can see here, mine has got so much dirt and grime built up on it, and obviously you want this looking really nice and clean and clear when you're obviously viewing your nice log burner when it is on. As you can see, when I open the door, there is just so much dirt here, and the way that I'm going to share with you is so easy. This just removes it so simply. So the first thing you're going to need to do is get a clean cloth and just dampen this. Wring out any excess water, so we just need it damp. And then we're going to be actually using the ash itself. Now this might seem really strange, but we're going to be just put a dab of ash on the end, and then using circular motions just move across the glass with these circular motions, and this really lifts that dirt so easily. Honestly, I'm really not putting much pressure on the glass at all, and as you can see, this is really lifting the dirt off. Just look at that, and I have to say it was so simple. So I just went in for a little bit more ash there, but as you can see, this is just taking it off so well, and honestly I'm really not putting much effort in here at all, and as you can see, look at the difference. So go in as many times as you need, so get as much ash as you need, but I like to do kind of little and often, and just using those circular motions. And where it was a little bit more thicker dirt at the bottom, I was putting a little bit more pressure, but really not at all. It was lifting it so well. You might need to wring your cloth a few times, just obviously make sure you're not getting any smeary smudges on the glass. But as you can see, this really took no time at all. I like to get a clean cloth at the end and just go over it, giving it a once over with a brand new clean cloth. But as you can see, that is all the dirt removed from the glass, and it is just looking so good and so clean. So next up, I'm actually going to be removing a lot of the excess ash as well. It's actually good to keep some ash left in your stove. So I'm going to be just leaving a tiny dusting of it at the bottom. The easiest way I find here is just actually get a brush and broom here, and then just literally just get out as much as you can. I've popped a bag at the bottom, so I'm just literally going to be just popping it into the bag at the bottom. And you can actually use this ash for your plants. This is a really healthy thing to add into your indoor plants as a bit of a nutrient for your plants, so you don't have to waste it. You actually can use it around your home. So I've used this on a few of our indoor plants, so it's really good for them. And then I'm just going to be giving everything a good once over wipe down clean as well. Obviously it can get a little bit messy on the floor as well, so do make sure you clean up after yourself there. But I am going to be just wiping down the stove as well, so I just use a dry cloth for this. It's a bit dusty, so I'm just going over that now, and then I'll just be clearing up the rest on the floor as well that dropped. So that is it, and honestly it is so easy. I was so impressed with the results, and I really hope you liked this video and enjoyed it. So yeah, please give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe for more cleaning tips if you liked this one. So hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye.